Incremental greetings. This is William Palau, also known as William Palace. Welcome to Plausible Learning. Today in this video, I wanted to show you how you can schedule one item every day for whatever reason. One example that I have is the Daily Stoic. So it's a book that every day you have like a next step and a short reflection, usually three paragraphs long. So you can do this every day. And the reason for that is that you really want to schedule every item on its own date. For instance, on this date, May 6th, I want to become outstanding. And that's the same for every item. The question is, can you do this in SuperMemo? Yes, indeed. So if you noticed, I did a split of the parent, and then I rearranged the order. I used folders because I wanted to. It's not mandatory. And then I rearranged instead of starting from January. It's from today. So April 21st. It's I don't know when you will see this video, but that's my today. And I already did that one extract. And then I repeated the April of all other days that has already passed from this April. Okay. So what you need to do is open the browser. Now we want to filter the folders. So order by type, select the dismissed, and open a new browser with only unselected elements, sorry. But I have one extract. So I don't know where it is. Here it is. I will filter this out as well. Now you notice we have one item for each day of the year. Because that's February 29th, I think. Okay. I will leave it out as well, just because the year I will be using 2021, it's not a leap year. A leap year, so I don't will have this day. So just for the sorting, I will. Now, next step is the order here. You may be tempted to sort by this, but that's alphabetical. You don't want this. And the reason for the arrangement is because you can go sort by tree. Now we start from today. Keep in mind that next rep, it's all of the items is today, which was the next day of when I imported that. So now is when the magic happens. So you go to process browser, learning, and spread. Say yes to that. So, and what you want actually is the opposite of what you have here. So you want one item day all year long. Update that, and you will see that that's the data you want. Now, don't forget to go to criteria and make sure you have this option selected. Retain current repetition sequence. You really want to hard code the sequence. You don't either want randomize, the reverse, or what I think it's the default, that it's sorting criteria specified above with all these criteria. I haven't used this. That's still above my current proficiency in SuperMemo. So make sure you have the third option checked, and you're good to go. It shows you the calendar. For me, it's not relevant because I have a lot of outstanding items and elements. But as you can see now, it's the same. We have to refresh the browser. I don't know if there's such a thing. What I do is I will open it again. Okay. Now you see that the dates are different. So you have May 16th, and here you have the next rep, May 16th. And just to show you for proof, October 26th, October 26th, and so on. There's only one caveat of doing this approach, and as you notice, it's the interval. So the interval increases with the date we scheduled. So the last item will have a year already. A year with minus 1 day. Usually, for me, that's not a problem because I will do one extract at a time. So I won't be processing this incrementally. If I make an extract, as I did here, that extract will have the interval of 1 day, most likely. I can get that. Yeah, one day. So I don't mind if this item, well, sorry, topic, if this topic has 1 year interval, because most likely I won't see that again. I will make the extract, leave it at it is, or dismiss it, or even done right away.